Yeah. So defect is nothing like, now I test an application, I see, okay, I want the value of a field to be displayed as 1,000, but sorry, a field should accept around 10 characters, but I see the field is accepting 20 characters. So this is actually a defect. Okay. And what we do is, we once we encounter a defect, we say this to the development team, and the development team, what they do is, yes, they check it and say, yeah, that is a that is a defect, and I agree with it. So this is like a very informal name the developers use. Yes, okay, it is a bug, I accept it is a bug. So this is what I say. Bug is an informal name of a defect used by the tester or developer, which is accepted by the dev team. But defect is a technical term of any issues or bugs you identify on a software application. Okay. Now, what is a failure? Now, an application, see, I have an application, and there are around lots and lots of bugs in the what to say application after release. The users are seeing lots and lots of defects or bugs when they use it. So this leads to a failure of the software. So this is termed as failure. Okay. Now, so this is what the actual thing is. So mistake in coding is called error, which is done by the developer, and this error which is found by the tester is called a defect. Okay. And the defect accepted by the development team is called a bug. And if the bugs are identified in a real time environment by the users, the system is a failure. Okay. So this is just about what a defect, error, and everything is. So with this, I'm ending today's session. So if you people have any questions for me, we can have next 5 to 10 minutes for that. I wanted to cover verification and validation today, but I felt like tomorrow would be good if by like going from verification validation to the software life cycle. Okay, fine. Any questions?
Ma'am, tell
Ma'am,
about yourself. Ma'am.
Sorry.
Tell about yourself, ma'am.
Myself, okay. Yeah, I am like I'm Menaka, so like I'm from Chennai. I have around 14 years of experience in software testing line. So I also have automation experience. In automation, I have worked with Selenium and Java, and I have also experience in Catalan Studio, which is a new automation tool. Uh, and what else? Yeah, I'm married and I have a kid.
Now you are working, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm working with EPAM systems. This is a complete work from home. I have around I have worked around This is my fourth company. I was with DXC. You know DXC, right? DXC
No.
Technologies. Yeah, DXC. I was 7 years, and later I was with a product-based company, and then one more product-based company, and now I'm with a service-based company.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Any other question? Someone else asked me something.
yeah, excuse me, ma'am. Give me one example for that bugs and defects and failure.
Okay. Say now a developer is developing a what to say a login screen for a what school application, maybe a simple example. Yeah, for a school. Okay. So the developer, what he tries is he runs the he compiles his code, and he sees a set of code failing. He might have missed there might be some coding issues, or he might have missed some logic or something like that. Okay. So that is a failure. But there are also few types of failures that are unidentified by the developers, they are like, they'll miss out a logic. Okay, so now I have a filter on wait, I'll do one thing. Is my screenshot stopped?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Now it's
are you
visible.
able? Yeah, okay. So now a developer is, what he is doing is developing a school form, okay, with few filters, where he wants to, where we can pull data like name, class, and what you can say, marks or something. Okay, so what happens is I have three filters like this: name, class, and marks. Okay, not marks is not a filter, and name and class, and I also have age. Okay, so now my expectation is, if I just give name like this and I hit an enter on the page, I should get a list of students in my school whose name is Aditi, right? Aditi in class, maybe in LKG, I have Aditi in LKG, I have an Aditi in 10th standard, and I have Aditi in +2. Okay, fine. And it's the same. Now, if I give an age, it should also pull out all the maybe 10. If I give in this way, it should pull out the name Aditi who's of age 10, not of class 10. Okay, this is a simple example. But when I'm testing, I see that this Aditi is maybe 3 years old. She is around how much must be the age at my, I think 13, right? Not 13, 15. Okay, and she is 16 or 17. So what I do is I give name Aditi and I give ages 10 and I hit a search. I should not get any data. Am I correct? But what happens is, still I am able to see these two. Sorry. So what happens is, it pulls out this data. So instead of age, it pulls out the class as 10 and the age is 15. So this is a issue with the logic. This is a failure in the logic which the developer has developed. Am I correct? So this is an example of failure. So this one, what I do is I raise it as a defect. Okay. This is a failure from the developer end, but I raise it as a defect. So in this way, whatever I give, say I add a name as Aditi, but still it pulls a name of Raj and Ramesh or some set of names. What happens is, this is complete failure, right? So the application is not working what is intended by the user. So this is a complete failure of the software itself. So this is the main difference. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any more questions? Any questions, you can just ping me, okay? On WhatsApp, you can just send me.
Okay, ma'am.
And you can just go through and try to like, I'll give you a small exercise. You people can think of some other example for error. Fault is a very simple thing, so you need not like concentrate on that. I gave a very simple example. You can think the same way of any error, defect, and failures. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, with this we'll end today's session. So maybe tomorrow we'll meet again by 6 o'clock and we'll have more discussions on other topics. I'll share you this PPT today. Sorry, yesterday someone asked, I missed sharing. Okay, I'll share it today.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Yeah, thank you all. Meet you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, bye, bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.